Okay, so Jeep has arrived to the dealer to install the coil conversion. So here how it looks now. Quite low. We'll see how it will look after the conversion. Here we go, it's done, and it looks good. Quite level, I would say, but without that 2.5-inch lift kit, I would say it would be quite low. So this is first thing that we can learn from this upgrade. Let me drive it for a bit and I will do some more shots. So here is how Jeep looks now on the front and on the back. So in terms of comparison with air suspension, in terms of height, I've done some reviewing of the photos that I have, and on the front it's sitting almost the same as off-road 2 level, definitely higher than off-road 1, and on the back it's around off-road 1, so a bit lower than off-road 2. But overall, right now it's leveled, because on the air suspension, when you are on a normal ride height or on the off-road 1, back of the car is a bit higher than front, so some people doesn't like how it looks, but it's leveled right now. In terms of the ride quality, I've done just a bit of testing, and on small bumps it's more pleasant to ride. It's not so harsh, but with bigger bumps, air suspension, it feels a bit more air suspension not that rough as coil springs right now, but air suspension is a lot more bouncy. Jeep is like jumping on those big bumps. But overall, for like day-to-day use with normal roads, for me it's more comfortable to be on coil springs, because first of all, I'm not afraid that the suspension will go down, and second, it's more soft on small bumps, and I would say it's a bit more controllable. I feel the car. So now for you, I will show a few pictures of how it was before on air suspension. So here, for example, you can see the car on off-road 2 level. You can see that back of the car is higher than right now, but front is pretty much the same. Here's another picture in off-road 2. The same we can see here. And this is the picture with off-road 1 air suspension level. Here you can see that front is lower that I have right now, and back is pretty much the same. And here for comparison how it was before on the air suspension, when suspension was broken. And once again, here is the photo of Jeep after the conversion on the coil springs from Strutmaster. But I wanna mention once again that I've installed 2.5-inch lift kit on top of this conversion. So without it, I would say that it will be in like around normal ride height compared to the air suspension, but obviously without the possibility to raise the car when it's necessary. But with this 2.5 inch lift kit, for me personally, it's plenty of the ground clearance, and look of the car is also improved. So please let me know what kind of questions do you have. Maybe you want some more comparison in off-road situation, or maybe in some tougher roads. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.